guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, hey family, I hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are staying home. So today I'm in a different area of my house. I'm currently in the kitchen, so we are whooping up. I'm actually doing a bake with me. There probably will be kids running around making noise, but it is what it is. A bake with me, so we'll be baking chocolate chip cookies, and I'm so excited because I made it before and it was a banger. So not a lot of people know, but I enjoy baking so much, and yeah, I'm just like a baker. And especially now during like quarantine lockdown situation, it made me go back to my love of baking. So that's exactly what we are doing today. And also I wanted to bring up a very sensitive topic. I went on my YouTube analytics recently and I was very much disappointed when you guys don't subscribe to my channel. I am literally so sad because I think it's like 56%. Let me get it right. Oh no, 59% of you are not subscribed to my channel, but you guys watch my videos. So please subscribe to my channel. If you're watching this video, if you're not subscribed already, it means the world to me. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's get started. I literally have no idea what I'm doing. No idea at all. Okay, so I have already washed my hands. Please be sure to do so. And I'm going to preheat my oven right now. And we need to preheat it to 180. So that's what we're gonna do now. Okay, so we've preheated the oven. Now we're gonna get all the ingredients ready. I will also put a link to the recipe that I'm using right now because it's just actually really easy. So let's get into the thing. So let's do that actually. So I'm gonna just show you guys everything we're gonna use, and then I think we're gonna measure everything because let's just get this shit done. Let's get it done. Okay, I'm gonna start now. Let's start now. So that is exactly how I make my chocolate chip cookies. They are truly the best. They are so chewy, and also you can substitute the chocolate that I usually buy is the baking chocolate. You can definitely substitute it with any kind of chocolate that you'd like. If you have any questions, please put a comment down below, and I will see you next time.